Waagi wa kigina gya kuigana ni undu tigiriire university imwe hatereregete kibeca undu uria nginyagia uigite university imwe hatikaini ya kuhingwo. Ikinya-ini ria gutigirira motungata maya ni matwarithio na mbere, university ya Maasai Mara ni yombite kamiti ya mwanya ya kumatha njira iria ingihuthika kumatha kigina makiria.
So we formed this as a group to help us refocus our efforts on resource mobilization. Many universities are very highly constrained of resources and they are depending on student fees funding, and the support from the government is decreasing every day. Kamiti no riu itanyitwo gutigirira thukuru ino ni yakinyaniria kwambiririo gwa tabarira nginyaniru cia uthii wa na mbere thiini na nja wa university iria ingitigirira kigina ni kia mathwo. We have also been able to review all the projects and activities that we would like to promote in the university through self-funding.
You can imagine the number of that, how the number of students increased. So that really put a lot of financial pressure to the government. So the money, there were 7 universities were sharing, almost the same money that the 30 plus university and the university colleges were sharing. So that really brought a lot of challenges. Vice Chancellor wa university no Professor Shari Machacha ni agwetete ati riu ni marikitie mathomo mathiko igiri magutigirira ameba kamiti no ni magia na umenyo muiganu wa gukinyaniria wira wao. So the only way maybe you can produce highly trained students, high quality research, community service is we have sufficient funds. And that's why, because of those challenges, and I want to thank my chairman here, came with this very bright idea. I can assure you that not many public universities or university colleges have come up with this innovative idea of raising funds to supplement what the government is giving. We are a university, one of that 6 or so public universities that is trying to be sustainable, self-sustaining. University cia muingi riu ni ihoetwo kuhimbiria mitaratara ta ino niguo gutigirira itina hingwo kana kugumirwo ni thina wa waagi wa mbeca. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV retora kwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.